Alright, this is my new pair of Kenneth Cole, big brand. But first, let me just show you my current sneakers, my current pair of sneakers that I own. These are Supra Sky Top. Not so bad. I got them from Amazon for like $56. These are my brand new sneakers. These are Creative Recreation, Adonis. A little dirty. I gotta get this out. They're pretty. I love these. Really, really nice. I like the color. I also got a pair of Raddies or Rays, whatever you want to call them. These are really nice. I love the color red. I took the top strap out because it was just kind of annoying. So, that's just the way I like to use them. I got this pair, Guess, at 6pm.com for like 30 bucks. I like these too. I got these. This is Creative Recreation. I think this is Moretti for like 30 bucks. These also, I barely use these. I think this is Moretti, and this is Cesario. This is also Moretti Creative Recreation. You can see it's not that dirty. I barely use these. I like suede. These are EXTs, Adidas. I really did use these. So you can see the wear and tear here. I like these though. These were like 50-something dollars. These I got like a year and a half ago. These I like these. I still like these. I just wish I could find them brand new again. And these Adidas, I forgot what the name is. I barely use these too. They're kind of clean. Alright, so let's open the new pair. Let me turn off the light here first. Got a knife? You got a knife somewhere? My mom's really nosy. I'm doing a video, hold on. Let me turn on the light here. I know it's a little dark. But, alright. This is just between you and me. My arm is a little messy, so what? Sue me. Alright, I'm so excited about this. Okay, let's see. Alright. Kenneth Cole, right there. Right there for you. Alright. Let's take the rubber band out. Kenneth Cole, big brand. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Oh, dude, these shoes are beautiful. Take care, keep shoes out of direct sunlight. Oh man, it comes with a maintain smooth leather. Oh dude. Oh my god, these sneakers are beautiful. Size 10. Let me take it out of the bag. Oh, this is beautiful. I can smell the fucking leather on these sneakers. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is a gorgeous shoe. Beautiful, beautiful shoe. I'm a sucker. Let me just make sure it's number 10. Yep, it's a number 10. Okay. Yep, you can set these down and oh my god, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. So that's it. I mean, I was waiting. I bought these at website. I think it was called NM Last Call. I'm gonna go there and check it out.